this is a Yamaha genuine part. It is a lower seat for the MT-07 2021, and it looks like it should be pretty easy, even if you have no experience. I did already previously change my seat, so I already know how to do this. It's 2 bolts beside removing the passenger pavilion. So let's get started. So on the left, I have the stock 2021 Yamaha rider saddle. I think I only put about 300 miles on it before I swapped. And on the right, this will be still OEM Yamaha, but the lower seat saddle. They look virtually the same. It's actually really difficult to tell unless they're side by side. Feels virtually the same. For this installation, you will need your Yamaha key. You will need a 5mm hex key. I'm using a ratcheting wrench. I just find that it's easier to work with any stock bike if you have a ratcheting wrench versus a regular Allen hand tool. I've stripped many bolts on my Rebel using a hand tool. I've yet to strip any bolts using a ratcheting wrench. So if that's an option for you, I would certainly take it, but you can still do it as long as you have the 5mm, and that will be used to remove the old bolts and put those same OEM bolts back in for reinstallation. Insert your key to the left-hand side keyhole, twist it, and pop out the passenger pavilion. This is an aftermarket BAGSTER that I just received. I think it looks really nice. It kind of has the carbon fiber look, which I would like to eventually do for the entire bike. Your stock seat will be the same installation and removal. Once you've removed the passenger pavilion seat from turning the key and lifting upward and pulling back, you will be able to see the 2 bolts that you'll need to remove and then reinstall with the new seat. Right here and right here. The 2 back bolts are now out. Now it's just as easy as lifting up your seat. Again, this is an aftermarket BAGSTER seat. I just really like the color on them. I will still be installing the lower seat to see if that's a more comfortable feel. So you want this part right here to hook with the metal there to make sure that your seat stays secure. So the last step is reinstalling the passenger pavilion, and this part has always been extremely frustrating for me. You want these 2 hooks to latch in under here while lining this up to here. And you can probably tell that I've scratched mine up a little bit just with this process alone. So I can tell that the hook's lined up. And looking from the back, and there you have it. New lower seat. I will do a before and after comparison